Hello, I'd like to meditate with you today. Today's meditation will be a meditation on pain and fatigue. Feeling like crap, basically. I'm in pain, I'm exhaustion. I have a disease called endometriosis. And it has left me quite disabled. Ooh, it's emotional to talk about because I can't do all the things that I want to do, and that's very frustrating. Just for example, cleaning my house and making myself food and so I'm sitting here with my heating pad and I took some pain medication that I'm hoping will kick in sooner than later, or at all, because sometimes it just doesn't help. So luckily you can meditate. Well, I'll share with you my intro. You can meditate anywhere, anytime, on anything. All you have to do is bring your awareness to the present moment. Awareness is the knowingness. The thing in your mind that knows what you're doing, saying, thinking, or feeling at any given moment. So to meditate, just recognize your awareness in the present moment. And to meditate on pain and fatigue and feeling like crap, all you have to do is bring your awareness to all the sensations that come along with that and just actively accept it. But I always start with bringing my awareness to my posture and getting myself comfortable. And then allowing myself to feel whatever it is that I'm feeling. Just take notice of whatever it is that I'm feeling. I'm feeling pain in my abdomen. So that's where my endometriosis is. It gets all bloated, so my tummy feels all tight and bloated, and it affects just everything. Movement, walking, sitting, using the washroom, any sort of movement can make it worse. So today, I did too much. I pushed myself too much. I did the dishes and what else did I do? That's basically it. I cleaned the kitchen. And it was too much. It hurts. But that's okay. I'll just bring my awareness to that and actively accept the present moment. Anything in my awareness. And bring my awareness to my breath. If it gets overwhelming, which it often does when I'm in pain. So I'll bring my awareness into my breath and just notice other thoughts or sensations and how they're feeling, the texture. My abdomen's feeling hot and tight and just painful, just this throbbing sort of pain, hot, spreading kind of pain, and then it goes straight to my head. I get tightness in my jaw, my head. My head hurts. So I'm just gonna meditate and just continuously accept it and allow it to be present, allow the pain to be there, and say, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. My existence is still worthy. My life is still worthy of existence. Even though I'm suffering a lot of the time and I can't do all the things I want to do. I can at least meditate and be present. Notice the emotions that come up. The devastation of it all. It's devastating, honestly, and heartbreaking when I can't do basic things for myself, and then let alone do things that I'm passionate about. So I just continue to be aware and just allow. And give myself compassion. Give myself love. And don't judge myself for needing time and space to myself to accept this and deal with this. You can close your eyes if you want to just get into your body. And really just be present. Your headache or your tummy ache or your whatever else is happening in your body that's maybe a negative sensation. Just be present. And allow. Allow these sensations to come and go as any other sensation does. You don't have to meditate too long on it. If it gets overwhelming, you can always bring your awareness to your breath or a part of your body that isn't in pain. Like, for example, my hands are not in pain, so I can bring my awareness to those. What is it like to not feel pain in a part of my body? And what does that do to the pain that I am feeling? Does it make it louder or quieter? Just notice. And I'll notice any other distracting sounds in my awareness. Any noisy neighbors or people. And I'll notice if I'm feeling a bit agitated. And that's okay. And just sit with any sensation that comes and goes and accept it. And you don't have to judge yourself. If I'm feeling agitated, that's okay. If I'm feeling in pain, that's okay. just allow and be present with however it feels to be in this moment, without judgment, without striving or expectation, just with awareness and acceptance. You can open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Take a few more deep breaths and just be aware of anything that comes and goes in your mind. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Come back for more. Have an awesome day. Bye!